Welcome everybody. So in today's session, I will be actually demoing and showing you how to make content changes to the modern collaboration tool. So firstly, what we need is the spreadsheet. To do this, we go to our GitHub link and we download the actual spreadsheet, which is located in here. This will contain the code and the content to make the changes. You will then need, I'll send you the link for this. You'll then need this content mapping document that I've actually have set up. So the first thing we do is, if we want to make content changes to any of these, there are some extent to which the content can be changed. And the changes that can be made to the content are actually based on this here. If you look at the document here, I will also send you the link at the bottom of this video. If you look at this link at the bottom, you're able to see that these are basically what you can be update, which particular section of the tool you can add and modify the content. So for example, if I want to go to, let's say, make a content changes to modify the button on, let's say, the individual productivity. I want to change one of this button here, the blue button. So under the Explorer scenario. So in this case here, it's actually screenshot number 1. So I would go to the scenario tab in the spreadsheet, and then I would then update column B. All right, so let's go to the spreadsheet and go to the scenario tab, and I want to actually look for and filter by the button is located under the individual productivity. So under here, and I want to update this button here. This was actually American spelling organized. So I'll just actually change it to the word organized in English spelling. So once we do that, we made the content changes. We just save the spreadsheet and we're done. Now, the next section is when we go back to the document. Is once you make these changes to the content, how then do you apply the content changes to the Canvas app of this tool? To do that, we go to the next section, the code mapping, and we copy and paste the code in here. Now, depending on what content was made. So in this case, I actually updated the scenario tab. And to do that, all I got to do is copy all the code from column H and paste my code here in the Canvas app. So what I've done is I've taken a backup copy of this code in the Canvas app, copy and paste it into text editor. Okay, so this is what I wanted to change. I wanted to change all of these code to the one from the spreadsheet. I'm just going to delete the one that was originally in there. I go to my spreadsheet, scenario, column H. I'm just going to copy all of these code here because I made the changes to the button for individual organize my day and my priorities. So I copy that, go back in the code editor, and just going to delete the last line, and then we're done. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to just copy this whole code again, copy, go back to my Canvas app, go to the look for scenario comment. Here it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of these and replace it with the one that was copied across from the text editor. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Delete and paste. And then I'm going to just save this. Once I save it, I can actually see the changes before I publish the Canvas app. So to do that, I'm just going to close this because this will be cached. So I'm going to close that, leave, go back to this tool. I'm then going to edit it. After editing it, I'm going to just preview the app. It's loading. Skip that. So now to preview, I'm just going to click the preview button, go to here. There it is there. Organize my day priorities. So that is how you update the content. Once you're happy with that changes you made, you go back in here, close it, and then we're just going to then publish this Canvas app. Publish this version. Once we're done, we have finished modifying the content to this. See, that was organized by day priority, American spelling. Refresh this Canvas app, go back to individual productivity. And it should be here. Changes have been made. There it is, organize my day and priorities. So that is how you update the content. Now the spreadsheet contains other scenarios on what other contents you can make changes, but I'll let you read this documentation, and I'll put the link at the bottom of this video. And when we look at this next section, you can also customize the branding. You can change also the background color, font style. Well, not really, just choose from default value. You can change the font color and the font size. And to do that, you would able to go and toggle to the various page form on your Canvas app to make the changes. So that is it for this video. And I hope that if you have any question, just make a comment in the bottom of the video link. And I will be able to reply back to your comment. Thank you for watching.